Many years ago, when I be small pikin, you get something will happen. I know sometimes we would travel to the village with my parents, especially my mama, for us to spend our holidays at home. So I can't get one of my cousin like this, a senior cousin. This guy, they give me wahala. Anywhere where you see me, go like, make you do something where go make me they provoke. And before you go know am, na him go win me when we enter into any kind of physical battles. So me, I'd avoid that guy. I'd avoid him. But while I'd avoid him, I'd always dey think of wetin I fit do, make I take, make sure say I bring this guy down one day. Maybe kind of physical battles where both of us go enter into, where go make me win am, so that my mind go rest. You see how that kind of thing they be now. So you can't reach one particular period like that where we travel home with my mama for holidays. So my big brother, Chris, now brought this boy. Though I never told Chris about what I was passing through in the hands of this guy, because I did see say this guy, you know how they take talk and for Igbo. Somebody will be say anytime you go want to make the other person, they do what you like, what you want unnecessarily or for no just cause. So he get what they call and I don't want to use it here. Now, so that this guy they make, and I never tell this my big brother, say, see what in the happen. So opportunity can't come. My big brother can't tell us, say, and they do something for my mama. So they can tell us, say, make both of us the wrestle. Playfully, you know, be saying serious physical basketball. Anybody wait through where the other person for granted, make the person just get up. Make you no do anything, just throw one for ground, get up. And if another person throw away the other person down, make the person just get up. And you go just get up now, the person way the ground go get up. You know, just like then the talk say, oh Jim Benala, John where person way who tortoise for ground, hold himself. So my mama don't, my brother don't already plan them now. Can't tell us waiting we won't make we both do. So first of all, now this boy, this big cousin of mine, they get body gone. Now before you go now, don't carry me put for grand. Which you come, as he put me for grand, he remember the rules where my brother give us. He can't get up. Me, I can't get up. Small thing, small thing, small thing. But what that now by chance? Anyhow, I know. Now I throw one for ground. Instead of make I get up as